Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be sharing with you some new Oy'Nissh nouns. The category I will be focusing on is female names, with the exception of one male name. I will be translating the first and last names of the Reggae Girlz 2023 World Cup team, along with the name of the head coach. So here's the current list of the Reggae Girls at the World Cup. Please note that some of them are capable of playing multiple positions, but that's not the focus of today's video. It's about translation and noun creation within the language itself. So I'll be introducing to you the Guayfirmir, or the alphabet structure, or what I call interface, for the language development of these names. But moreover, the most important part, which is the official representation of the language, the Veeliksa of all the names, the first and the last names. In English, Kameron Simmonds. In Guayfirmir, Kameron Simmonds. In Veeliksa, Kameron Simmonds. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the future when I continue the development of this language. As you can see, there are loads of interesting things to discover. So I hope that you journey along with me on this new constructed language road. Thanks.